Hi everyone, this is Josh from First Tech. We're going to be going over an installation of the M8 dash camera with the OBD-II connector today. So what you have is you have your camera and your main cable. Once your camera is mounted, you're going to grab the single USB-C on one side and you're going to plug it into the port on the camera here at the back of it. Once you finish running your cable and you're ready to do the power installation to your camera, you're gonna have 3 cables at the end that you'll notice. 2 of them are for extra cameras. Here is your power cable that's a USB-C. This is where we're gonna plug in the OBD-II connector that we've purchased separately and plug it right into this cable here. First thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna find a good location on the windshield, close to the headliner, so you could hide the cable. So first thing that we're gonna do is we paste it to the windshield by uncovering the 3M tape, put it on the windshield, and then we're gonna be able to run our wire through the headliner. In most headliners, you could be able to reach up and just peel it down just a little bit. And that's what we're gonna do here. So we peel it down, tuck the cable there till you get to the A pillar. Once we get to the A pillar, as you can see that I'm doing here, we're going to run the cable down the side. And easy for you is you can get the cable to stay within the A pillar by putting in the weather stripping. Once you do that, like we talked about, your separately sold adapter, you plug it into the USB and just plug it right into the OBD-II connector, or some companies will call it a diagnostic connector. Now that the M8 dash camera has been installed, you can go download the app and go through your setup process. If you have any questions about setting up your camera in the M8 app, click the link in the description box for a separate tutorial video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.